Top 3 Best Smartphones for Seniors. Name bar 3. Apple iPhone 13. Apple's biggest and most feature-rich iPhone is a mouthful, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple listened to customers, and while the phone looks just about the same as last year's 12 Pro Max, it is a tad thicker with a larger capacity battery and longer battery life. The display now supports a refresh rate up to 120 Hz, while the optical zoom on the telephoto camera is improved to 6x. Macro photography and cinematic video modes are new features in the camera system that are sure to please photographers and videographers alike. Apple continues to actively improve iOS 15 while also offering 1 TB of internal storage so you can capture content to your heart's delight. Name bar 2. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung's first flagship phone of 2022 was released as the Galaxy S22 Ultra 5 Guaranese. While the S21 Ultra from 2021 supported the S Pen, there was no way to store, carry, or charge up the S Pen. With the S22 Ultra, Samsung has fully embraced it as the Note successor with an S Pen silo, flat and square design elements, and all of the latest and greatest specifications in a smartphone. Read our full review. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 phones were the first to launch widely with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor inside. While the same resolution cameras are found in this year's S22 Ultra, Samsung improved the camera's capabilities, especially in terms of low-light shooting. With 2 telephoto cameras, Samsung stands out from Apple and Google with fantastic zoom capability. An amazing quad rear camera system. Name bar 1. iPhone 13 Pro Max. While I put the iPhone 13 Pro Max as the best overall phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the best overall phone for productivity. The addition of S Pen support and an IPX8 water-resistant, durable design makes the Z Fold 3 the perfect phone and mini tablet I could ask for, and it is very well optimized for getting work done on the go. Given the excellent pre-launch offers and trade-in deals, I purchased a 512 GB model to serve as my daily driver. In addition to the hardware improvements, Samsung made the purchase a bit easier with a $200 price cut compared to the previous Z Fold 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 serves as a very capable smartphone and small tablet.